Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you something brand new and blingy. Let's get cracking. So we've recently had loads of bling in stock, and these, I just love them. How gorgeous are they? So there's a few different colours. You've got a purple and it does slightly change colour, and so does the green. It goes to a green to blue, and then you've got this one that's multi-toned. I love it. We're going to use a purple one today, and I'm going to show you how to apply these gorgeous little stones. They're like a cluster. It's on a metal plate, so we like to call them alloys, not like your wheel alloys. I'm going to show you how to correctly apply them and make them last. So on this nail, I've already applied this gorgeous green, which is from the Pearly collection, and also from the Shimmer collection. Straight over the top, I put this colour, and then I've sealed it with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And we're ready to apply this. We are going to use acrylic. I'm going to use High Speed, and I'm going to use Crystal Clear. So I'm going to pick up a bead. And you're just going to move that around so it's a similar shape. So you want it a similar shape to the plate. I'm just going to re-wet the top surface with a wet brush. So you'll tell that it's wet by it being really shiny. I'm going to pop that directly on top. Add pressure. You'll see the excess push out. That's what you want. And what you're going to do is clean that up with your brush. So the tip of your 3D brush. Get rid of the excess, because you don't really want to see all that. But it does, rest assured you, it like gives you that confidence that you know enough acrylic is on there and it's sealed. Now if you just wanted that on for a short amount of time, then you could just leave it like that. But we want this to last. So we're going to get a wet bead of acrylic and straight away start to work that into those little tiny pockets. There'll be tiny little gaps here. See there? We're going to fill that bit with wet acrylic as well. Tiny bit of acrylic. You don't want loads. Too much will make it look ugly. You want it to be nice and neat. I'm going to do the same around here. If you've got too much, you can just take that off. Now as I look at it, I can see a little dip here. Can you see just in there? Now I think that might get caught. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit more there. I don't want that to get caught on clothing or in your hair. We're making this really wearable. So you can see now that we've just got rid of that. And it's going to be a lot more wearable. Check all the way around. To disguise the acrylic, which if you look, you can just see because it's gone matte. We're going to disguise that now. Sometimes I put a little bit of brush on glue, but now, this time, a little bit different. And I'm doing this because I've got straight lines. It's quite a neat stone, it's quite straight, so I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat. And I'm going to go straight up and touch that. Going to do the same with the other side. So you're going straight up to that plate. And then you can drag that down. But now you can't see how that's actually been put on. You can't see any of that acrylic. Pop it in the lamp for me. One other thing that I think everybody should do with such a big stone is go around the edge of that big stone with some brush on glue. That'll give it a good seal as well. Once that's dry, you can apply some cuticle oil. Oh, I like that. That's beautiful. There you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that video, and I hope it helps you to keep your big stoned plate alloys on for a very long time. Well, until you need to get them off. We'll do a video about that though. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!